No one's going outside today. It's gonna be raining all day. Loud at Bob Marley. Everyone listen to Bob Marley comment right now on his YouTube channel. My YouTube channel, please. Thank you.
They don't have like drain, the big drain. They only have the drain in the middle. No, but in the not like this also drain in the middle. And the water is not going there because the drain is like not like this.
That's New York. I remember that was for Canaveral. Oh, I stink. What is that smell? Don't tell me we're in the port of where the Royal Caribbean cruise goes to, actually. I'm not gonna lie. This is a Floridian lifestyle folks living here in Florida. All this BS out here.
One of you.
I think we're here. We're now officially in Port Canaveral all day until 6 p.m. This is where your cruise would end. Not today, though. I love those red lights out there. Yeah, we're here in the Royal Caribbean, or where is it, the seaport? This is where our trip would end. Love the port though. I love it. It's like less cold now. It says thunderstorms today, but I think it's mostly just heavy rain.